Okay, everyone, we're going to take in a nice deep breath of the white blue light in through the nose, passing through the hemispheres of the brain, down the base of the neck, all the way down the spine, activating the spinal fluid, and out through the mouth. And again, breathing in through the nose, passing through the hemispheres of the brain, down the base of the neck, all the way down to the base of the spine. And breathing out, really connecting into the heart space. Let's do one more nice deep breath like that, breathing in that crystal white blue light, activating all of the hemispheres of the brain, down through the base of the neck and down through the spinal cord, and breathing out through the mouth. And for this activation today, we are going to work with the ocean light grid. So just take a moment, get grounded, and feel into the ocean for a moment. Using your clairs, whether you can feel into it, visualize it, know it, see it. Maybe you can hear the sounds of the ocean. And as we begin our journey in working with the ocean light grid system, we're going to just notice that we are really bringing in that rainbow light, which is merging with the ocean waters in which we are immersed. And while this is happening, as we are submerged and held within the ocean waters, we notice light codes from the sun penetrating the ocean surface and activating additional codes in the ocean light grid. Your cells are absorbing this consciousness. So go ahead and breathe into this consciousness, this light, as you float suspended in these frequencies. Connect to the water and just allowing your physical being to sway, bob, rock in the ocean waters. It's a safe space to just unwind. And I'd like you to just really feel into those light codes from the sun, merging with the water and activating. It's almost like a primal DNA in your cells, a dormant DNA in your cells. And these codes bring in an activation of ocean intelligence, which is an ancient wisdom merging with the new higher frequency sun codes. This activation is now moving into the base of the skull and slowly radiating out into the rest of the body, further activating the heart. The wisdom of our sea light beings are guiding the activation. Again, using your clairs, tune into the process, feeling into the great abundance of this activation between the ocean and the sun. Notice repairing of the skin cells and also an activation of the light body. We are also connecting with the intelligence of our dolphin brothers and sisters, letting us know it's safe to let go and be fully absorbed by these frequencies. They also bring in that joy frequency, reminding us to hold things lightly as we elevate our frequencies. So continue absorbing, activating as you're safely suspended in the waters and held by the sun codes. I'm also getting starfish, anchoring and supporting these frequencies somehow with the light code grid. Okay, so go ahead and take another nice deep breath. You are welcome to stay in this space as long as you would like. If so, continue your process. Those of you who are ready to come back out, I want you to connect in with the earth, the ground, the floor beneath you, wiggling your toes and fingers, taking in another nice deep breath, maybe a nice big stretch, connecting with that light in your heart space. And then go ahead and open your eyes. Thank you.